Starting my day with a coffee, with a espresso coffee. Now I'm on my way to the gym. Hey guys, so I decided to do a quick one on my phone, a quick YouTube video, but surely will start recording and doing it with my camera very soon. And today I'm gonna be showing you me in the gym. I don't think you can hear me a lot because it's super loud, the music's like super loud, but I'm gonna record this all the day and I hope you're gonna enjoy it. Today and I'm super hungry. I'm gonna have one of these cheeses, muy salsosa, and my veg and mince, some mushrooms. Now I'm gonna cook it. Okay. Get these out of the freezer, but two handfuls because they disappear in the cook this, and I'm gonna add it to some lettuce here for the day. It's cutting time, guys. Excited? Pants that's leggings, and I'm gonna show you how to make a easy pants like Kim Kardashian's. Here I have another one that I already cut, and I'm gonna show you. Just need a pair of so these I have already done and cut to the size I want, so I have to cut them twice. I'm gonna take these ones, put them on each other. I hope you can all see, guys, because I'm gonna cut just maybe a bit lower, so if I don't like them, just don't take your Nike pants or Nike leggings before you do this. Make sure you don't want the pants, or you're not gonna use the pants again, like before you cut it. Not use it, but just make sure you want to test this first, you know, before cutting the pants. Now I'm gonna show you how it looks. But I also cut these shirts. This shirt, the black one that I really like, and these are the Kim Kardashian pants. They look the same or what? They're like the easy Kim Kardashian pants. And I have another pair that I already use. and I like it, so I did more and more. I think I'm gonna cut all of them. So I just wanted to show you, like, today I had a lot of time on my hands and I took some of my winter, and like, this is a winter hoodie, and I took it and I cut. I wanted something different. I know it's, you can go wear this, but you can buy this, but it's not one of my favorite hoodies, so I thought I'd cut the hands off and I made a t-shirt out of it. But like this, I really like it. You know what I mean?
I'm gonna show you all the shirts I did. This is just a plain black t-shirt. I still have some of the tips on. And I got a little shorter here because I wanted this one like this. I will show you more. I have this one.
Hey guys, so just took my boyfriend to work and now I'm gonna go for a walk. A lovely day for a nice swim, and now I'm gonna clean the car a little because it needs one little cleanup. Dang, these trees are killing my car. Like, look. Now I'm gonna show you some lunch for tomorrow. I'm gonna prep this lunch for tomorrow. Dinner and breakfast as well for me and my boyfriend. It's natural. It's vanilla flavor. Zero sugar. Ooh, this really tastes like vanilla.
So I have some work to do.
Subscribe and I'll give you more videos of